Hey everyone, welcome back to Project of the Week. This week I wanted to focus on Appwrite. So the metrics are already up, so let's take a look. Okay, so I see contributor distribution is at 65% core team, 35% community PRs, and 0% from bots. So it seems like they're maybe focusing on more of a core team approach while keeping a little bit of the community trickling in. And they have great review merge rate, and 97% is still very high. And what's interesting is they have 0% of bot generated PRs, as we noticed before. So they're keeping things very human focused. And the fact that they're able to do that with just humans with no automation is very impressive. Their review turnaround time is just about under 5 minutes, which is really impressive. It's very fast for a project of something of this complexity. And of course, their overall median wait time is under 30 minutes. So it shows that they've really optimized that entire development workflow. So I really wanted to compare it to one of its top competitors, Supabase. If you haven't already, check out my video on Supabase's metrics from a couple weeks ago. But in terms of comparing it to each other, right off the bat, Supabase seems to prioritize a little bit more community than Appwrite. In terms of their bot activity, and their review merge rate is pretty much equal. But here's where this stands out. So it seems that Appwrite really focuses on something a little bit more speed focused, so things under 4 to 6 minutes, whereas Supabase maybe takes a little bit more community driven approach with longer turnaround times. Both options, are not incorrect. They just solve very different priorities. So Appwrite shows you can maintain that agility even in a very established open source project. But that's about it for this week. See you next week for another project deep dive, and comment below to see any projects that you would like me to check out. Bye!